Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how you can find your card number on Apple Wallet. So on your iPhone you're going to need to open the Wallet app and tap the Apple Card. Tap the card number icon, then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. If you don't see the card number icon, you need to update to the latest version of iOS. Next to card number you can see your virtual card number. To see the last 4 digits of your titanium card number or Apple Pay card number, tap additional card numbers. And this is the same for your iPad or your Apple Watch, which might be a bit different. If you need to return something that you bought with Apple Card, you can find the last 4 digits of your titanium card number on your iPhone. Open the wallet. On the latest card transactions, tap the transaction for the return that you want to make. Tap the transaction again, and on the status you can see the last 4 digits of the titanium card, the number that was used. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.